Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, there is an awesome opportunity for gig workers to make extra money, or really anybody, through a new program called TikTok Shop. So TikTok is really competing now with Amazon and eBay, and you can now buy items on the TikTok app, and you can now also sell items too, which is exactly what I'm doing. And in a single day, I made over $1,000 because I created a TikTok shop selling items, and you can do it too. Actually, anybody can do it. I didn't show my face. I really did this on a brand new account, so you don't need any experience or any followers. If you want to learn exactly how I did it and how I made over $1,000 in a single day on TikTok Shop, click the link below, and right now you can get a free trial when you sign up and join my community, my group chat. There's a 45-minute training there, so check that out. And now let's get started with the video. Now we are talking about the End of Lyft. It's all me. Oh, actually, this guy made a video about it. Remember? You interviewed him, right?
I think this is super important. Could this actually be the end of Uber and Lyft?
He actually sounds like me.
Honestly, I don't know.
I think yes. Why? Because Tesla Robotaxi is coming out August 8th, right? Guys, you do not realize. Oh, and you know what's funny is he picked the date because it's a lucky number in China. Elon Musk is the ultimate troll, but you know this dude is gonna disrupt the rideshare market like nobody's business.
Yeah.
He has unlimited amount of money. He does not care. He will spend a few $1 billion on Tesla rideshare app because he knows in the future it's gonna probably make him $50 billion more. Like, he knows what he's doing, and he makes it seem like a joke, but behind closed doors, he knows exactly what he's doing. I think that when he launches this, he's going to do something crazy like August 8th launch, free rides for the month. Like, can you imagine what's Uber, all of a sudden Uber and Lyft, like, what are they going to do when they don't get any rides for a whole month? Like,
I don't know.
And he's going to say like, and I don't know, like, I just think that, and maybe if they are supervised Teslas, like, I could see him being like, we're paying drivers like $40 an hour to do the rides and free rides for a month. Like, I don't know. I mean, who knows what he has up his sleeve, but he has picked August 8th, which is only 3 short months away. I just really think that it's gonna, he said, I did partly pick it because it's 8 is a lucky number in China. Also, it's the birthday of his triplets, who are now 17 years old. Oh, wow.
He has triplets?
He has 17-year-old triplets. I did not realize that.
I didn't either. Wow.
With Grimes? Anyways, that's my theory on why Lyft and Uber is going to end. Well, actually, I think more so Lyft, because Lyft is already a lot smaller than Uber. Like, Uber has Uber Eats too.
Yeah.
Lyft does not. Lyft is only rideshare. So, like, I don't know. I really think, guys, that this is going to really shake up the market for rideshare. Like, I think for sure.
Yeah.
That's just my opinion.